Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi ke Jela ubat lakaman rumbui ulang ba laitli ki jaka tho Eksamin Central University Entrance Test kindan Beit ha Meghalaya khnang ban ai la di ki samla puli ki bakwa ban ya khun ya kani ke exam uba rumbui ulang ya kani habaya keren ba kinong tho khubor ha kasni tho dieng kata ka khatlai tarik ujemang arajar arpawar ulang ba ki samla puli ke Jela ki bala dep thap kerteng ki la ban ya khun ya ke CUET Namar lada kila ban le bha bat kwa ban yo puli haki wei pat ki college ki baye so bat ki school ba ka sarkar pedeng haki wei pat ki jilla ki hab ban yo khun ya ka CUET ulaya tho wa ki lai tli ki jaka tho examen CUET ki bala dep jit lupa daga National Testing Agency kindan be ha Meghalaya bat ha ka jing shisha ka jilla kala kwa bandan ki jaka tho examen habaro ki district ulapan pau ke jing sngungu yaw menteri rangba ke jela ukwandat ke sangma bat menteri Katanat Puli Puthi ke sarkar pedeng udhar mendra pradhan ubala ngap ya ke jinggar pat bat pelat ki college ki baye so bat ke school ba North Eastern Hill University na ka examen CUET.
See, there are two aspects into this. One aspect is that the CUET is being implemented in all the central university of the country. And we from the Meghalaya, Nehu being the central university, so it is bound by the for the African College to implement the CUET. And what are the constraints? The constraints are we have a digital, the communication constraint, infrastructure. When I talk about infrastructure, it's not only infrastructure of building. It is the infrastructure of maybe communication infrastructure or digital infrastructure. That is what we are talking about. And as per the notification of NTA, there is only 3 centers in Meghalaya. So we want NTA to set up in all the districts. But and side by side, we from the government, we have seen that the student or the college have not prepared. We appeal to the state government through the Chief Minister. Chief Minister has appealed to the central government to exempt the College of Meghalaya from this CUET. So I'm very happy that Honorable Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhanji, has agreed to this proposal where it is exempted that the College of Meghalaya can go as per the existing norm of practice as before. But having said that, CUET, it is very, very important to test the knowledge, and moreover to empower the student to see how much they know. Moreover, it will help them if they appear, they want to go to other central university or university which they implement this CUET fully. So I wish that all the students should, who have applied, they should appear and see what they can do, because this will help them. They don't have to go for appear in different college, different university, different tests. These tests, if they meet the percentile or the criteria, they will be able to go. Let us take one step at a time. But I'm sure that this process will continue till the necessary, whether digital infrastructure or infrastructure, whatever may be, it is set up. So, as of now, but having said that, let us take one step at a time.